You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian name, a shape or a type of pasta. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, all the recipes, the sauce, and all the shapes of pasta, stay tuned. We've got them all at the end of the video. Italian pronunciation, campanelle. Alright, campanelle. Because you have double L, you want to stress on that double L and that syllable nelle. Campanelle. That's your Italian pronunciation right here. If you want to say it in English, you can all pronounce Italian perfectly. Campanelle. Campanelle. From Italian, campanelle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.